Hello, this is my Midland 13-880B. I have up for sale now on eBay, and it's a 1970 model. That's when they were made, I believe. It's a base station and a mobile. It has 23 channels, clarifier control, AM upper and lower sideband, volume squelch, RF gain control, power transmit lights, microphone input and phono input, speaker, clock, meter. That's the switch for the to select on the meter between S meter, power meter, and SWR. This is the calibration control. This is the noise blanker, PA-CB. That's the on-off switch. As you can see, the clock is moving. 924. When it gets to a certain digit, it will go to 925. There's the model, 13880B. I don't have a microphone, but I had a 1/4 inch plug. That's what it takes for the mic. Same as a stereo jack. So I took some jumpers and I figured out how to key the relay inside. The same as if you had a mic. Since I don't have a mic, I figured out how to do that. And I also have an MP3 player that I've hooked up to the audio portion of the connector. So that's a substitute for not having a microphone for testing this. So I'll show you that it transmits here in a second. And I have a little handheld receiver from Radio Shack that I use to receive the signal with, to receive the audio of the signal. And I tuned it to channel 14, which is the same channel this is on. So now I will transmit to you here. Let me show you that the receiver works. That's the volume control. This is squelch control. Turn the squelch off. Volume down, volume up. This is the mode control, AM, upper, lower sideband. This is the channel control. Set to channel 14. That's channel 6, which is a skip channel. So if I hook, this is hooked to a dummy load in the back through a meter to my little homemade dummy load, which is a resistor that I have connected. And if I connect a little wire that I have strung across my window here, that will be used as my receiving antenna. You don't want to transmit through that because it's not made for that. But I can receive through that. You heard when I hooked that up, the receiver came up. So what's here as I tune the selector. Okay, that's the antenna here. I do also have another video that also has the is receiving off of this unit. So if you want to tune to that too, you'll hear it receiving. In this video, I'm going to transmit, show you that it transmits. So we're going to do that here. I'm going to take this is my controller. I'm going to key the transmitter here in a second. So, channel 14. I'm going to key the transmitter. Keep your eye there on the meter. There's the meter. Set to power. It says 4 watts. Might not be able to see that. That's what it says. And let's see. Might be a reflection on there. But that's what it says, 4 watts. And I have my output my external meter here, which is not a power meter, but it's set on the forward position. And there it is there. So the unit is transmitting. Also, there's the carrier off of let's see if we can hear something once I turn on my MP3 player here, which is connected to the audio jack on the audio section on the plug of the microphone jack. Okay, turn the audio down so that I can hear it better. So that's coming out of my little handheld. That's the music that I have through my MP3 player hooked up into my microphone jack here. And so there's the output. So now there it is, folks. I've showed you that it receives and it transmits. And it's a Midland 13-880B. And it's now up for sale here on eBay. It's starting out at a low bid, so go ahead and take a bid. You'll get a great base mobile unit that you can use. You can use it on 11 meters, or maybe you can modify it for 10 meters. It has upper and lower sideband. Clarifier control for the receiver. I'm surely that can all be modified for if you want to modify it for transmission as well, if you want to go into 10 meters or something like that. And so you have a great base station unit there. Thank you very much, and good luck, folks, on bidding. Bye for now. This is Dish Blue.